An engine timing cover leak is the seepage of oil or coolant from the timing cover, a protective housing for the timing belt or chain and related components. These leaks, while less common in newer vehicles due to advancements in materials, can lead to performance issues, environmental concerns, and costly repairs. Less common in newer vehicles due to advancements in materials, these can lead to performance issues, environmental concerns, and costly repairs. Causes include aging gaskets, over-tightened bolts, thermal expansion, and vibration-induced cracks. Keep an eye out for visible oil puddles, burning oil smells, low oil levels, or engine knocking. These are common symptoms. Addressing a timing cover leak involves several key steps. First, drain the engine fluids carefully. Then remove the timing cover to access the components. Inspect thoroughly for any damage or wear. Replace the gasket or the entire cover if needed. Finally, reassemble everything using proper torque specifications to ensure a tight seal. Repair costs for a timing cover leak typically range from $200 to $1,000, depending on labor rates and whether professional help is needed. Prevention is key to avoiding these issues. Perform regular oil changes every 5 to 7,500 miles and schedule thorough inspections at 50,000 miles to catch potential problems early. Looking ahead, with the growing popularity of electric vehicles, timing cover leaks will become much less of a concern since EVs don't have traditional timing covers or the associated components.